Compact, hygienic, and efficient. Seafold trash bags from HAPLAST. Seafold design allows easy dispensing and handling. Ideal for high-traffic waste bins in offices and food services. Made with precision folding and automatic roll processing. Available in a wide range of sizes and roll quantities. Certified for quality, strength, and environmental compliance. Trusted by global businesses for convenient waste handling. HAPLAST produces thousands of tons monthly to meet global needs. Professional packaging for retail or institutional use. Palletized for safe, clean, and efficient export. Simplify your waste solutions. Choose HAPLAST Seafold Trash Bags.